Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically get this free mini marshmallow on Roblox. So to get the mini marshmallow, you're just going to go to your avatar here and you're going to go to the search button and then just type in free mini marshmallow. And then here are the items that you can use, but some of them it's only like inexperience, I guess, like a UGC, like these ones. Just kind of go to the experience, you can go there. So here, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.